Hey guys, it's siu-yee. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to make some quick protein bites that I can just eat on the go or eat for breakfast if I wanted to. I want to try to use up as many pantry items as I can before I move back in with my parents. This is one of the ways I'm going to do it. My protein bites are going to have oats, protein powder, some local honey, chia seeds, flax seeds, and peanut butter. I might add other things if I come up with something else, but that's basically what I'm going to work with. Oh, I wish I had coconut oil. I don't have coconut oil, so I'm just going to put vegetable oil on these oats. I'm gonna pour these oats onto this little baking sheet. I'm gonna spread them out. I'm more worried that I don't have enough liquid ingredients. If this doesn't turn out right, it's gonna be granola. We're not committing to anything here. I'm going to preheat my oven to 350. Do I really need oil on here? I feel like it's not necessary. I'm just gonna toast my oats like this. Don't think I need to have oil in here. All right, I'm gonna try to get most, if not all, of this peanut butter out. Okay, I have my peanut butter in. Ooh, maybe I'll add vanilla extract. Fake vanilla extract. Putting in a capful of imitation vanilla extract. Then I met a boy who's a beekeeper and he gave me literal honey. This is like real honey. I'm very excited to use this. No one's ever given me free honey before. That sounded weird. I don't want to cross-contaminate the honey. How do I do this? Should I just pour and then... This is gonna be a mess. I feel it. I'm not actually measuring anything. I'm just hoping things work out. Oh my god. The honey's so good. This is it right here. I'm gonna try to mix and swirl this together. Nice and sugary. Love that for us. It's preheated, so now I'm gonna put the oats in. I'm gonna leave them in for like 3 minutes and see what happens. I might actually shut the oven off. I just want them to get hot enough so that maybe it makes this a little bit more liquidy. Right, I'm gonna add a bit of neutral oil just to thin this out a little bit more because I don't have any coconut oil. Oh, I could use Crisco. No, I'll just use this. This is fine. It's the same thing. It's vegetable shortening, vegetable oil. It'll be fine. These are gonna be very fatty protein bites. It's still not liquid enough. Maybe I should add more honey. I don't want to taste this because of the oil. Alright, let's do a little more honey. I turned the oven off and I'm going to leave the oats in there for a bit more. I just want them to toast enough. I'm completely making this up as I go. I don't know what I'm doing. Everything's fine. I'm just going to add in the rest of my chia seeds that I have left. Goodbye forever. Some flax seeds. Oh no, I'm gonna need more liquid. A lot more liquid. I'm gonna do another capful of imitation vanilla extract. More oil. Looks like this right now. Not the most appealing look at the moment. I actually think it's all gonna be brown. I'm gonna use chocolate protein powder anyway. I'm going to add 1 scoop of protein powder for now. Mix this. Okay, now I'm gonna make the little protein bites and I'm gonna use a little ice cream scoop. Nice. My phone's gonna die, so I'm just gonna finish this up and here are my protein bites. It's very sugary and very fibrous. I'm sure it's gonna give me a burst of energy whenever I have them. And I'm really happy with the way that they came out. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more similar content or if you'd like to follow me on my debt-free journey. Thanks!